XYZ Limited is a company based in India, manufactures very high quality of modern furnitures and sell them to small numbers to retail traders in India and Nepal. It is facing tough competition. Recent studies or marketable in products have clearly indicate that customer is not more interested in variety and choice rather than exclusive and exceptional quality. So since the cost of the quality of woods in India is very high, the company is reviewing the proposal of import of woods in bulk from Nepalese supplier and estimate the net Indian and Nepalese currencies and cash flow proposal. Cash flows in millions. So 25 million, then we will get 0.26, 3.8 and 4. In India, it is there is Nepalese, okay, the Indian 0.89, 0.4 to 0.6. The following information relevant. XYZ Limited, evaluates at all the investment at a discount rate of 9% per annum. All the Japanese Nepalese customers involve NC. NC cash flows are converted into Indian as the forward rate or discount as the Indian rate. Inflation rate in Nepal, India expected to 9%, 8% per annum. Current exchange rate is 1.6. 1 Indian rupees 1.6. Assuming that the finance manager of XYZ Limited is calculated the net present value of modified internal rate of return and proposed. So the following values expect discount rate at 9%. Present value for the year 0.1, 0.917, 0.842, 0.772. Future value 1.18, 1.091. So working note, we get the two. So Nepalese currencies into Indian rupees. So the from end of 1, 2, and 3 years, it is 1.6 is the 1.6 is the currency value, but inflation currency value is 9 percentage. 1.6 plus 9 percentage. So 9% and 8% la. 1 point into 9 and 8% expected inflation rate in Nepal, inflation rate in India. So Nepalக்கு this is to 19% and so Nepal currency 1.6 into Nepal inflation divided by Indian inflation. That is 1.16 into 1.09 divided by 1.18. 1.09 divided by 1.08 into 1.6 bottom now 1.615, then 1.165 into 1.09 divided by 1.08, 1.63, 1.63 into 1.09 divided by 1.08, 1.645. This is the computation of forward rates. Very good. Net cash flow convert to Indian million. So outflow 25 into 1.6, 1.15, 1.30, 1.30, 1.45. This is million 25, 2.5, 3.8, 4.10. Where we got here, kid. 25, 22.6, 3.84. So what is the outflow? 2.5 into 1.6 minus 15. 2.6 into 1.615, 1.16. 3.8 to 1.630, 2.33. 4.1 into 1.645, 2.49. Into 2.49. Conversion rate. So it's not multiplication, it's division. Okay, division divided by 1.6 division. So net present value, we the cash flow of Nepal is 15.625, 1.6, 2.33, 2.49. So Indian cash flow here we have 2.89 to 4.2, 4.66. Totally add and 2.869 plus 1.61. So cash flow of India plus cash flow of Nepal's total cash flow will get. So present value of 9% 1 divided by 1.09 is 0.197 divided by 1.09 will get 0.842 will be 1.09 will get 0.772. Multiplying this to this present value for 1 4.4.7 6 a 53 into 0.842 5.498 7.9 into 0.772 5.473. The net present value is lost 0.547. Modified internal rate of return. How you get 7.72%? Cash flow in million வந்து 5.15.2, 15.62, then 4.17, and in Nepalese currency, 5.62 plus 4.79 plus 6.53 plus 7.9. This is a year all capital. But in the third year, where we get here, the internal modified internal rate of return also we need to find. Present value found it. We have this future value now that we need to get. So future value of one is 1.18, second year is 0.19, and third year is 1. So then 4.49 into 1.18, and in the second year 1.19 into 6.63. And third year, this is the modified rate of return. So 7.9 plus 5.2 plus 7.3, 19.53. How many years? 3 years. So 3 years divided by 50, 19.53 divided by initial outlay 15.62. We give minus 1. So 0.772 into 100% board, 7.73. Cube root, okay? So margin rate of return is equal to number of years by terminal cash flow plus outflow of resources initially minus 1. You will get that percentage. Marginal cash flow reckoning now. So cash flow, what was the cash flow? Then future flow first year, second year, third year. Third year is not required. Third year is one, no issue. So if you add this, you will get the terminal cash flow.